Hey everyone, I've been riding bikes since I was this tall, back when training wheels were my best friends. But these days, my obsession is electric bikes. Today, I'm sharing my top 10 mid-drive conversion kits that'll turn your regular pedal-powered ride into a silent, torque-filled beast. Stick around. I've tested, researched, and even burned out a motor or two to bring you this list. And don't forget to subscribe. You won't want to miss next week's video where I turn my vintage cruiser into a 40 miles per hour rocket. Let's dive in. Let's kick things off strong with the CYC Motor X1 Pro Gen 4. This kit is absolutely wild. Imagine 6,000 watts of peak power and 280 newton meters of torque. It even has an X12 controller for insane customization. It's like strapping a jet engine to your bike. This monster is made for serious off-road riders and thrill seekers who want maximum torque and power for rugged trails, steep climbs, sand dunes, and rocky adventures. If you want raw, almost motorcycle-level performance, the X1 Pro Gen 4 is the king. That I'd personally use this when I need to outrun my neighbor's overly enthusiastic golden retriever. At number 9, we have the Bafang M510 that on paper, it's a modest 250W motor to meet legal standards. But trust me, it punches way above its weight class. It's also super lightweight thanks to its magnesium case, making it stealthy and efficient. The M510 is perfect for commuters and daily riders who want that sneaky extra boost without drawing attention. That it's light, compact, but powerful enough to turn steep hills into flat ground. That if you need reliable, hidden power for your daily city rides, this motor feels like your secret weapon. Coming in at number 8 is the Bafang M820 E-Road. This sleek motor weighs just 2.3 kilograms, and it's loaded with modern features like Bluetooth 5.0 and a light activation sensor. The M820 is a dream for roadies and gravel riders who want to extend their rides without adding heavy bulk. That it's nimble, fast, and smart. Perfect for pairing with a carbon frame. If you love weekend rides or want to crush long-distance races, this kit will seriously level you up. At number 7, the CYC Photon is stealing the spotlight. It's a 750W motor that you can configure all the way down to 250W, and it's whisper quiet with buttery smooth torque sensing. This kit is tailor-made for city riders and commuters who want their e-bike to feel as natural as pedaling a regular bike, but easier to... no sudden jerks, no noise, just smooth silent assist every time you press the pedals. Plus, it's basically maintenance-free. A huge win if you'd rather ride than wrench. Number 6 brings us the Tongsheng TSDZ8. Specs can vary a bit, but based on earlier models, you'll likely get 80 to 120 newton meters of torque and one of the most natural riding feels available. This kit is ideal for cyclists who hate the feeling of robot legs. Its torque sensor mimics real pedaling effort, making it perfect for long rides, tours, or just casual weekend rides. It's simple, reliable, and doesn't need fancy apps or complicated programming. Just pure, honest assist when you need it. Halfway through, and here's the CYC Motor X1 Stealth. Think of it as the quieter, lighter cousin of the X1 Pro. This kit is perfect for riders who want big-time performance without the bulk, noise, or flash. It's ideal if you like going fast, climbing steep hills, or leading group rides without making it obvious you've got motor help. For my dream build, I'd throw this on a titanium hardtail for stealthy mountain adventures. At number 4, we have the CYC X1 Pro Gen 2. It's the older version of the Gen 4, but still crazy powerful. This kit is perfect for DIY builders who want maximum power but are also watching their budget. It's fantastic for fat tire bikes, sand riding, or building your ultimate go-anywhere monster. Tough, reliable, and powerful. Even if it's a few years old, it's still a beast. Sliding into third place is the Fajua Ride 60. It's insanely light at just 1.96 kilograms. And it's modular, meaning you can actually pull out the motor and battery to ride fully analog if you want. This kit is made for road cyclists and endurance riders who want a little boost on hills without giving up the feel of a true road bike. That it's nimble, sleek, and perfect if you're chasing a super clean, lightweight build. Runner-up is the Sartori Bike's Easy Kit. It's not flashy, but it's insanely easy to install. Think plug, play, ride. This kit is ideal for beginners or commuters who want electric help without spending days installing or troubleshooting. It's reliable, simple, and gets the job done without any fancy nonsense. And finally, the lightest e-bike It weighs under 2 kilograms and delivers up to 350W of clean assist power. If you care about weight, this kit is your best friend. It's almost invisible on the bike, but you'll feel it the second you hit a steep hill or battle headwinds. Ideal for roadies, gravel racers, and anyone who values pure bike feel but wants a little secret boost. So there you go, my top 10 mid-drive kits. Whether you're chasing crazy torque, saving weight, or just want to blast past your liquor-clad friends on the next climb, there's something here for you. Smash that subscribe button and ring the bell. I got a bonus video coming soon where I turn a kid's tricycle into a 20 miles per hour monster. Thanks for watching, and remember, life's too short to pedal uphill without a little extra help.